Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daddy's Life. If you are not a subscriber, please do so now. Now, a few days ago, I was challenged by Bumblebee Junction to their magical fruit challenge. Now, when I say magical fruit challenge, basically what he's wanting me and a few other channels to do is show the whole world our own secret baked beans recipe. Now, if anyone knows me, I hate baked beans. I do not like baked beans. So in this video, I will be using a different kind of bean, and I think you'll like how it turns out. So stay with me and let's see what happens together. This is gonna be exciting. Alright, Bubba and I are in the kitchen, about to start our magical fruit challenge here. And the ingredients that you see here may be a little different than your regular baked bean recipe. So watch and see how we put this all together. Okay, here is the real recipe. Okay, here is the real ingredient to my recipe. Right here. Let me show you what's in here. The top of the can really says it all. Now I know this recipe has nothing to do with baked beans, but I had to do something that involved beans, so this is what I did. Well, there's your magical fruit challenge, Bumblebee Junction. Like I said, I don't like beans, so I used jelly beans instead. I know I'm probably going to like it, and my boys are going to like it if it all turns out right, if it hardens right. Now, everybody that is involved in this is called the Magical Fruit Challenge. And Bumblebee Junction is the one who started it. And he wants us to call out a couple more channels to try this, and I'm gonna call out a couple, just two. I don't know, I can't think of a bunch of them right off the top of my head, a bunch of people that I want to challenge, but I'm gonna name off Farmall Fanatic. He's a really good old country boy. He's really awesome, has a really cool channel full of farm knowledge. And it's really helpful whether you're on a farm or not. And someone else I want to call out is just a friend here about 10 miles from me. I just learned that he has a YouTube channel about a month ago. It's called Carlock Bassing. He does a lot of fishing. I've seen him setting up tree stands. Really cool guy. I would like to help him grow his channel. I know I'm not big by any means whatsoever. I am larger than him, and I'd like to get him up there closer to where I'm at and help him out. I know he'd really appreciate it. So that's all I've got for you guys today. If you would, please go check out all these guys. Go check out Bumblebee Junction. Show them all some love, and we'll see you guys on the next video.